Want to start farming in LEGO Fortnite? Here's how to get seeds from fruits so you can grow your own food. First, collect fruits like pumpkins, raspberries, chillberries, or corn. You'll find them scattered in the wild depending on your biome. Next, open your grain mill and hover over the fruits or plants that you've collected. For every fruit that you've collected, you'll unlock the recipe for the seeds. Let's try getting pepper seeds. Select that option and the fruit will break down into seeds. Keep in mind, you'll get more seeds than the number of fruits that you use. Now, what do you do with seeds? You take the seeds to a farming plot, place them into the soil, and with a little time, you'll have new crops growing that you can harvest again and again. And that's it. Convert into seeds and start farming to keep your village stocked with food. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more LEGO Fortnite guides.